Yes, getting hail damage fixed on your vehicle is absolutely worth it, and here's why. Protects your vehicle's value. Hail dents, even if minor, reduce your car's resale and trade-in value. Dealerships and buyers will use visible damage as a reason to lower their offers. Unrepaired hail damage can lower your vehicle's value by thousands of dollars. Prevents future damage. If hail cracked your paint or exposed bare metal, it opens the door for rust and corrosion. Over time, that surface rust can spread and compromise the integrity of your panels, especially on the hood and roof. Insurance often covers it. If you have comprehensive coverage, hail damage is typically covered by your insurance policy, minus your deductible. You're already paying for the coverage. Why not use it? It's usually repairable with PDR. Modern hail damage repair is faster, cleaner, and doesn't require repainting when done with paintless dent repair, or PDR. No filler, no mismatched paint. Just a clean fix that restores your vehicle like the damage never happened. Unrepaired damage can delay future claims. If you have future accidents or hailstorms, prior unrepaired damage can complicate or reduce future insurance payouts. Some adjusters will consider old damage as pre-existing and deny new claims if it's never documented or repaired. Keeps your vehicle looking sharp. If you're driving around with dents from a storm, it can make even a well-maintained vehicle look neglected. Getting it fixed restores pride in your ride and lets people know you take care of your car. If you're in San Angelo, Texas, Angelo Dent Removal Inc. is your trusted hail damage expert. With over 3 decades of experience in the art of paintless dent repair, we make it look like it was never there. Free estimates in our state-of-the-art estimating bay at 2315 Sherwood Way, or give us a call at 325-703-6149. Let us make your car look great again.